Alright, so got the spray foam in there, spray foam in here, and here. That didn't really work out so well. Kind of bled through the seam. I'll pick that stuff out. Yeah, you live and you learn. Paint this blue. I'll look at it once I get done treating all this. I can always just come back and hit it with black, which I'll probably end up doing. But I had some blue spray paint and I didn't want that color showing through. Probably wouldn't have, but while you're in there. So we're gonna low heat up the plastic and start getting the butyl rope shoved in all these crevices, and then we'll come back after that and put another layer of deadening on to add some more mass here, and then try to fill in some of the flatter areas. I'm not going to fill all these in. That's a decent amount of structure with that curve and these little ribs. To fill in all these spots is not going to yield much result. But you do what you can. The butyl rope is just to prevent any rattles of these two pieces of plastic hitting on certain frequencies. That's all it is. So I'm going to turn on some music, and I'm going to have myself a good old time. Alright, well, hopefully you guys can see that a little bit. So that stuff jammed up in there. Any spots I could. Kind of a pain in the butt to work with. But, so now I want to build up a little height here. And add a little bit more mass to this general area here. Yeah, that's flimsy, but with that groove there's not much I can really do with that. It's going to be really effective. So maybe add a small piece here. Get a piece up in here. Try to get this, the contact, at least as much of this, build this up. That'll be enough mass. About all I think all I can do. For now, we'll just have to see how it goes. Got it down underneath the breather or whatever vent there. So, did what I could. Once I figure out the grill, I'll be able to jam some stuff in here if I need to. Also, a little bit of, and that'll be the end of it, but I have to wait till I figure out the grill scenario. You can tell the door cleaned up nice. Use a little bit of a release. Stuff's pretty expensive, but I'll tell you what. That is a ½ an ounce mixed in with water to clean up the door. So it'll definitely last a long time at that rate. So yeah. Molds off, and we'll keep working on this treatment here. Yep, got her all filled out and multiple layers on. I ordered some samples from a company. These were sticking and everything, so I went ahead and stuck them on there. A couple layers there, some extra stuff here. Probably ain't gonna do much, but you know, while you're in there and you got it. So yeah, door panel's a little bit heavier, but that's what you want. Less vibrations, less rattles. So with the temperatures being above 35 now, I can get back outside and start doing some work on putting this complete door back together.